Hello, this is Daniel from speedcubing.org, and in this video we're finally going to get round to uploading the results of every event everywhere. So the winner of 2x2 was, as we can see here, Ram Thacker. Second place Ben Stokes, third Dhruv Arora, congratulations. 3x3 we have Yuchan Hong, Nicole Soers and Mohammed Ayman Colley. 4x4 we have Yuchan Hong as well, Nicole Soers and Mohammed Ayman Colley in exactly the same order, which is interesting. 5x5 we have Nicole Soers, Dhruv Arora and me in third place, with quite a disappointing average to be honest, but anyway. 6x6, oh look, I won! Second Mohammed Ayman Colley, third Nicole Soers. 7x7, and I also won. Dhruv Arora, Ben Stokes in second and third place respectively. And the mystery event we didn't show on the live stream, but did go ahead, Kibby Minx, which Nicole Soers very convincingly won. I suspect he's practiced Kibby Minx quite a few times before, because obviously there are some people who do that sort of thing. Second Benjamin Hamilton, third Cameron Jones. Pyraminx, we had Yuchan Hong, Nicole Soers and Mohammed Ayman Colley, just like 3x3 and 4x4. And if I can get Scube. So first place Yuchan Hong, second Dhruv Arora, third Benjamin Grisaic, and Harry Owen just missed out on podiuming with fourth place. So Megaminx, first place Nicole Soers, second Ben Stokes, third Avani Sud, and square one we have first place Matteo Dumar, second place Kale Shoon, third place Ryan Eckersley. Well done. Clock, Sun Ming Chi, I don't think he competed in much else, but he won clock. And Jacob Chambers, who I also don't think competed in much else, came second in clock. And Pierre Bouvier came third. OH, same order as 3x3, Yuchan Hong, Nicole Soers, Mohammed Ayman Colley. And FMC was pretty convincingly won by Kale Shoon. We did have a rather interesting 24 move solution, but we couldn't verify who it was and whether it was legitimate, and he only did the third scramble, so we haven't put it on there, but if that is legitimate, very, very much well done. I mean, it doesn't beat Kale Shoon's 23, but it's still a very nice solution. Second place, James Tyrrell, 28 mean. Third, Mohammed Ayman Colley. And blind was won rather convincingly by Gianfranco Henry Hankwoi Andia, former world record holder, with an 18.69 single. Very impressive to watch on the stream. 7-second memo. Ben Stokes came second, Charlie Harrison third, and 4 blind. And obviously this thing gets completely different, but Kale Shoon managed to get a mean of 223, and best single anyway. All his singles were better than anyone else's. Mohammed Ayman Colley second, Timo Norknivila, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, came third. And 5 blind. Only 3 people managed to get any successes, so they all podiumed. Ben Stokes, Mohammed Ayman Colley, Joe Greenland, and multi-blind, Mohammed Amin Colley won with a very impressive 41 out of 44. And Kalshun second with a safety attempt of 20 out of 20. And Nicol Saw third. And there, us two are, Harry and I, down at 0 out of 4. So well done to everyone who competed, and especially well done to all the podiums. So now on to the overall sum of ranks results and who's actually winning any prizes. So here we have the sum of ranks results, which I've painstakingly made out. So first place, Nicol Saw, so you'll be getting a £15 speedcubing.org gift card, and Trevor Aurora £10 speedcubing.org gift card, and Mohammed Amin Colley a £5 speedcubing.org gift card. But there's a £10 gift card still up for grabs, so if we scroll down we can see here that there are 92 competitors, so a random number generator between 1 and 92 gives us 21. And who is number 21? Just scroll down a tiny bit. That is Soemi Kapadia. So if I have a way of contacting you, I will. If not, please contact me. So yeah, these are the results for every event everywhere. We may consider doing something like this again in the future, but thank you if you took part. It's been a pleasure running a competition like this. But yeah, like everyone, we hope that official competitions will be up and running pretty soon. Thanks for watching.